Things money cannot buy: manners, morals, respect, character, common sense, trust, and patience. Always learn good manners by following morals and ethics in your life. It gives good respect on you. It improves our character in a positive way. Everybody likes you. While talking, use common sense. Then only the others will connect smoothly with you. You have to build trust by applying these common sense in your talk. The things when you are conveying to others, you need patience. Some people understand easily, some cannot. At that time, we need patience. A man is master of patience, is a master of everything. Give respect to others and elders. Always take advices from them. We can learn so many things. We can build our character in a good manner. Speed is calculated as miles per hour, but life is calculated as smiles per hour. So always you have to need good smile in your life. It captures others' heart. This is the plus point in your life. You can achieve anything. The relationship goes in a good and nice way. Always be positive, be cheerful, be energetic, and be sportive. Listen to everyone. Learn from everyone. Nobody knows anything or everything, but everyone knows something that we need and helpful in our life. So better interaction is most important. We can gain knowledge and improve our skill by learning some good things from others. This is the life. The first to apologize is bravest thing. The first to forget is the strongest thing. The first to forgive is the happiest thing. If you follow these things in your life with morals, manners, you will get good respect and your character improves and your common sense inspired to others. They trust you. With patience, you can attract and capture other hearts, and you can become role model to others also. See, so many good things happen if you follow all these things in your life. These things we cannot buy with money. Only thing is practice. We have to improve and develop ourselves. By following all these things, you will become a good citizen. External beauty attracts others eyes, but the internal beauty always captures others' heart. That is most important in everybody's life. So character is most important. For to build that one, we need morals, ethics, respect, have to improve mannerism and common sense and patience. If you follow all these things, this is plus in your life. Thank you.